Hi everyone, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique, and in this video I do want to show you how to finish off a ring such as this. In another video I showed you how to do the two basic stitches, which is the pearl focal, or it could be any 4mm bead, and then the band, which are just Tenno Mayuki Delicas. And in the other video I really talked about this as a combination of right angle weave and daisy chain, so two fun, pretty easy stitches. You can check out that video on how to do it. Once you've made as long as you'd like, you're going to end up with a piece that looks something like this. You're going to have the focal, and then you're going to have the band, but flat. So my band is a little bit shorter than my other one. This one is going to be 8 of just the plain clusters. The other one was 10, but this is a little bit of a demo piece, and I'm starting to run out of thread, so I want to show you how to finish this guy off. So you have your stopper bead here. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to grab it between your fingernail and your finger, and you're going to pull. And it should just pull easily off. It's the beauty of a stopper bead. So now you're going to make the two ends meet. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to loop them around, but make sure it does not get twisted. You don't want to get twisted. So now we're going to add on 2 beads. 1, 2. Going to bring this side over and go down our center bead over here. And you're going to pull it, and it's going to come together. And we're going to double check that it's not twisted. Okay. And now we need 2 more beads. So you're going to go ahead, grab 1, 2, and now you're just going to move this little string aside. I'll lay this flat and go up through the end bead of the cluster you just came out of, and pull, and you see you're making a loop, and so you're making basically a final cluster, and you've just joined them. So you do have 2 loose ends of thread now, and what you'll do is you can go ahead and just tie off your threads at this point. And we have another video on beadaholique.com showing you how to tie off and weave in your threads. Thanks for watching.